is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Anei a haka feels, raki atu.
He just about got a good shot.
He like jumped on me, so I just slid for the grabber.
No, but when we kept it, what I was doing, I did put money in it, and then we thought you were just going to take it, and then you passed, it was like a Hail Mary, but they actually did it.
Oh, no.
No, when you got the ball, and then you like did a Hail Mary pass, and actually worked off. And then you played and then made it.
So many kicks. Your kicking game is so much bigger than our kicking game. It's probably more like got you a couple more points. Marching.
Yeah. This was so bad.
He's pretty gone this one now, bro.
Wow, one is not even. The thing is, just go by there. We'll take like.
Yeah, I was gonna
Go take
Max. Just chuck a ball on when they don't have a ball. Slow it down for Hale.
Yeah, no, you're right.
Speed it up.
Just go for it.
Oh, you don't even need your boat. No, I'll go get it. Fred. I'll go get my boot. Yeah, just come around here. Yeah. Hey, tuck that in the middle.
Yeah, no. Hey, I'll run this ball in the middle. AJ, yeah.
on out there. Well, the same ball.
So after the haka.
I like the same balls, obviously. Huh? I like the same balls.
Yeah, so all same balls.
They did that last time, didn't they?
E te whānau, nau mai, hono mai ki ngā whenua mato rawa atu o te papaioia. Kia ora everyone, welcome into the lush pastures of Palmerston North. It's an exciting matchup between Palmy Boys and Hastings Boys. Ko te haupi tōku ingoa nōku te maringa nui ki te mātakitahi tēnei ki me koutou katoa. My name is Toby. It's my privilege to watch this one alongside all of you joining in from across the motu. We'll take a quick look at the two teams on the side of Palmy Boys. Hill, Madden, Ellenfelt, Stevens, Webb, Skirman, Reed, Eamon, Mitchell, Hopper, Steinmetz, Cullen, Miller, Party, Whanua, Rudolph, Eamon, Alugafau, Maraku, Kelly, Moss, Greaves, and Kiokata. And on the side of Hastings Boys High School, Tai Vale, Tonga Uiha, Kouwhanonga, Pea, Karani Valu, Reed, Horotapu, Whatialofa, Kavana McGee, Yoasa, Deha, Akiong, Voice, Ratuere Meki, Mikaele, Pere, Pailate, Akiong, Sio, Maui, Tamui, and Butler. He rua ngā tima tino kaha kua tai mai ki tō tātanei kemu. Two strong lineups here today. Two strong teams. Legacy in this tournament. Many All Blacks coming from both sides. Names like Ngani Lau Mape for the hosts in recent years. Ia tātou e tima tāna. Well, Timothy Paia Palmy tēnei whakataitai. Fantastic start this year in the Super 8 for Palmy Boys. They've been dominant in their past couple of weeks. Kātuana I te pai te hōhorutanga o te pūmanawa kei roto I tō rātou kura. Showing plenty of depth of talent, the boys in whites. No mean feat, however, to get up and over this Hastings Boys team. E tai tino whetū, e tū tonu wana I tēnei tima I te whero. Me te kahurangi, some strong talent, some good stars on display for the boys from the Hawke's Bay. Ia tātou. E tima tāna ki tētai kakari as we get underway with the scrum. The knock on there from Palmy Boys trying to reclaim that kick-off. Will come down for Hastings with the first attacking opportunity of the game. Katiro ki te taha Maui, so look to shift it out to the left-hand side. Strong tackle coming up out of the line. That was an absolute shot there from the number 12 for Palmy, and then follows through beyond the ruck as well. Ooh, Katsima Tato ki e tahi Mamau getting on with some wrestling here as now the ball heads out to the right-hand side. Hastings katak te poro ki te papa, that one goes to grounds. E te paenga hoki ki a Palmy. Advantage now with Palmy Boys. They look to drive it up through the centre, through that number 7. Now once more, strong carry. Takes a couple men with him. As now Mitchell Hopper looks to his left. Ireira ngā nama ki te taha maui, numbers out to the left. It was a great tackle there, getting up on Whanua. That was his opposite, Ratuere. And now Palmy find themselves back on their own 10-metre line, and they'll look to touch. That one drifting with the breeze coming through, almost stealing it was Miller, and off go Palmy Boys, Hastings I should say. Ireira hoki, their jackal. Not their number 5, looks like it was number 4, Josh Stevens getting over the top of it. It was Victory Voice who came down with the ball, and he boosted off down that left-hand wing. Fantastic work from Palmy, scrambling back, getting the turnover. Perhaps just a little injury there, hopefully nothing too major. Tiakana iaia no me ki ngā kaitautu katoa te toko maha o ngā kaitautu kua tai mai ki te tātou nei kaupapa. Big shout out to that strong support, as you can see on the sideline. Plenty of friends, family have come out to support this one. Kua rā tētai o ngā āhuatanga tino pai o tēnei whakataitai. Te kaho o te honga ki ngā whānau, ki ngā hapori. Fantastic parts of the Super 8 competition. The connection to family, to school, to community. It's not just these boys playing on the field. They carry the pride of their school, they carry the pride of their whānau with them. You can see that, the fantastic turnout we have here this morning. Palmy, e titiruana ki te raina, sending it out towards the halfway line. Tera pia ka taia koe te kiti ngā kapua, wa pō ke au. Ko tāmarutia e te poi ke au me ki. Clouds have arrived over Palmy, perhaps some stormy conditions heading later into the game. Hopefully the rain can head off elsewhere. But we'll wait and see how that might affect the latter stages of this fixture. Will be Max Hill, the prop, to send it in, and he does. Nei Katsupu anō ki te rataha maui, looking to send it out to the left-hand side. In the end, it is Party. Straightens and carries strong up towards the Paiwehe, towards the halfway line. Anō ki te taha maui. Now they look to get it through the hands, find some space out on the left wing. Another strong carry there, that time from the fullback, Renaya Rudolph. Anoki Wanganui throws the dummy. Getting up on them there was a great tackle from the number 1, Pai Vale. Now pulls him to the ground, and Palmy, ball back on the inside, off he goes. He's got the wheels, man on his right-hand shoulder, throws the dummy, doesn't need him. Ko tahi atu ki ngā pou. Koira te pero tahi tuatahi o te kēmu nei, straight underneath the post, and it's the first try of the game to Palmy Boys, the left winger Cole Cullen. I reira tētahi ki tōna pukuhiwi matau. He had one there on his right-hand shoulder, decided he wanted to go himself. Threw a fantastic little tohipa, little dummy, and straight up the middle. Palmy Boys not mucking around here, getting on the board early. That is 5-2-0. Koira tētai āhotanga o tēnei tima mai te papaioia tētai o ngā tino taiaha me ki o tēnei tima. Tō rātau tere. Ahakoa kihia, ahakoa nōhia. Kei reira tonu te ahenga mā rātau te whai I te raina. One of the main weapons for this team from Palmy is their speed. Doesn't matter where they are, doesn't matter where they're coming from on the field. They've always got a chance to find the line. It's those quick breaks, quick hands, plenty of wheels. They can strike from absolutely anywhere, and showing that early on as the kick goes over. Fitsu ki te kore. Ka hoki anō tātou ki te paiwehe. Come back to the halfway line. Hastings just taking their time getting back. Little moment there to recover. Kōrero e pāna ki ngā mea kia whakatikaina. Just discuss what they want to look at moving forwards. It was a break up the middle, found themselves perhaps a bit stretched out on the side, on the far wing, so maybe they'll be looking to tighten up that defensive line, close those gaps. It's now Palmy Boys. Kawe Kahana ki Wainganui, strong carry there from the number 7. Ollie Reid, the captain, takes it up as now a little chip over the top. And recollecting, that is fantastic. The offload on his right shoulder, does he have the wheels? Fantastic little whanarewa haere tonu wana. Te nama te kaumārua, te kai wainga nui Eric Miller. It was a beautiful chip over the top from Steinmetz. It was reclaimed. He had a man on his right-hand shoulder, opted to go himself, and Hastings have turned it over here. Fantastic defensive play. Me te whanawhakawā te hoki, and the clearing kick makes it all the way up to the halfway line. Right back to where that play started. It was a lovely bit of ingenuity. Oh my goodness. E ua te reo Pākehā. And Hastings in the end getting off largely unscathed through some fantastic defensive work. Alright, ka simata no mai te pai wehe. Te rārangi ki waho. Kia Pāmi anō. Ko tāhaitia. E te number 8 stolen, and it comes down with the number 8, Hamiora Fatialofa. As now Hastings look to spread it wide. Throws the dummy up the middle, goes Kara Akyong. Ka pēhea te whiunga ki tōna hoa. Gets it off on the inside to his mates. Just short. Ka titiro anō ki te taha maui. They look to send it out to the left-hand side, stretching. Inches left here for Hastings as they start to pound away at this Palmy boys line. It looked for certain there like the number 9 was going to scurry his way through, and now they go out to the right-hand side. The man who started it all, Akyong. I reira te tāne ki te parirau matau. Ka hoki anō ki ngā pau hoki. And he had his right winger on his shoulder there, managed to get it out. It was the number 14, Jimione Ratuere, and he also brought it back around closer to the posts. Kare rātou I te momo wā, not wasting any time. Ki te whai whakautu to find a response. Hastings boys get on the board mere minutes after that first try was conceded. Me te hau, e pupuhi ana mai te taha matau ki te taha maui. Wind blowing from right to left. Right-footed kicker. Also bringing it in from that right-hand sideline. This is about as difficult as it can get. He's going to need to try and draw it round target. Not going to be an easy one to hit. Let's see how we can work it here. Strike's good. Line's good. That is a fantastic kick from out on the right-hand side. Mika Iwasa. Whetū ki te whetū. Ia tātou e hoki anō ana ki te pai wehe. 7 plays 7 as we now return to the halfway line. As he puts that ball up into a strong breeze, it holds up beautifully. Nicely taken down by Hastings. It is Genesis Taivale. Now they look to use that breeze, chipping it over the top, looking for perhaps a 50-22. Almost managed to get it. It was fantastic work from Palmy to keep that ball in. Michael Steinmetz and his clearing kick only gets about as far as the 22. It looks like he actually carried it back there. So kicked out on the full. He will return inside the 22. Koera te te ho ngā wero. O te papa ioia I tēnei haurua tuatahi. One of the big challenges for Palmy boys here in the first half, that breeze. Yes, it's blowing right to left, but it's blowing on a bit of a diagonal. Any kicks they try and put up are going to get just held up in that breeze. Hastings will try and use their kicking game, drive it down as they have here. That one just goes awry, and now Palmy boys come away with it, and off he goes. Ka pēhea tōra tere, houses pace, fantastic chase from the number 14. Ratuere with the diving tackle. It looked for all money like Manaya Rudolph was off to the races. But in the end, Hastings boys doing just enough to get back. Palmy. Te kawe kaha me te mau tonu ki te poro. Strong carry, does well to hold on to the ball as well. Does the number 1 Max Hill. It's now in the hands of the captain once more, Ollie Reid. Big shot there from the number 8. Hamiora Fatialofa. He had his hands above his head, the ribs were exposed, and he crunched him. I reira te painga, te āhua nei he hara I te ruck. No offside was the call. They had advantage, did Palmy, so they will return once more just inside the 22. Te āhua nei ka titiro rātou ki te kokona. Looks like they will go for the corner here. And they do. Tira pia kangana rātou ki te kōkiri. Te wātuatahi tēnei kēmu. Might be seeing the first drive of the game here. It's Palmy boys. You'd imagine will let their big boys do the work. And they do. Front of the line out and they get the squeeze. It's a good shove. Started to head to the right and now Hastings pushing it back. Te kaha hoki o ēnei piki poi no Hastings. And now it starts to screw around. Still up there for Palmy. Can they get it down? No. It's a knock on. Looked for all money like that was going to be the second try for Palmy boys, but couldn't quite find a way to grounds. No reira, ka timata no mai te paipiro. Will be a goal line dropout, which I'm sure Hastings will try and get some good distance on. Kei reira te hope ki o rātou tuara, wind at their backs. And he does look to go deep, and oh my goodness, it's an absolutely massive kick. He's got it almost down to the 22 line. That is a fantastic boot as now Palmy look to bring it back up. Strong tackle, dump to ground. Ka titiro no ki taua taha MΑORI. They'll look out to that left-hand side once more. Engari kua taka. No reira he kakari kia Hastings boys. Kua ki te ke mātou tātou I tērā rautaki no te papa ioia. Ka hawhakamahi rātou I o rātou pariro. I era taha e rua me te tere o ngā kai muri mea ki. Already seen that strategy from Palmy boys. Happy to put it out onto the wing. Happy to let the pace of their backs try and be the difference here. Hastings perhaps slightly more physical side. Haven't had as much ball. Be interesting to see what they can work off the back of the scrum. As the ball goes in for Hastings. They now look to shift it. Love the little 1-2 play. I reira te āputa. Me te whanahoki ka pēhea te whai. Chips it ahead, just dribbles its way back. It's collected at the near the try line there. For Palmy boys was the number 14, Michael Whanua. Managed to stay on his feet long enough for his support to arrive. Ooh, what's the referee going to say here? He had an arm out. It is a penalty. He was looking for the intercept. I tell you what, if he managed to scoop it up, then I'm te kaumā tahi tērā no Hastings. It was Gabe Deha. If he had controlled it, that would have been the second for Hastings boys. But now Palmy forced to clear. They can't really do much with that wind blowing as it is. No reira ka timata no mai I te rua te kaumā rua mita. Be back on the 22 line. Te rārangi ki wahua no kia te papaioia. Go for the drive. Looking to squeeze out some meters, and they do well on this occasion. Kōkiri whakamua tonuana still heading forwards here for Palmy as they drive up towards the 10-metre line. This is a fantastic set piece. Hastings going back at a rate of knots. Geez, almost getting up over halfway. Pick and go for Palmy. Another chip over the top. Me te whai hoki. See no tau. Now Hastings boys nice and settled for the boys in the blue and red. And now the knock-on advantage. Palmy. MΑORI steps up his right. He's got 2 men outside and doesn't need him. Goes straight. Goes hard. Just an ankle tap. Brings him down. Back on his feet once more. Just 5 meters left. Whakahoki anō ki Wainganui once more back on the inside. Hastings, as he orders his big boys in. That was pace Mitchell Hopa. E whakahauana I ona hoa. Just ordering his troops around as they crash ever close to the line. Centimetres now. Te kimi me te haere, the pick and go. Picked up and driven back was the captain. Now the halfback on his left-hand side. It's been stolen, and here go Hastings. It's a foot race down the right-hand side. Coming across is the number 12. Eric Miller, can he catch him? No, he cannot. Taha ki te taha, te nawa te kaumā whā. End-to-end stuff for the number 14, Jimmy One Ratuere. Palmy boys, they tried to just flick it out to the left-hand side, get a finish in the corner, but it went to ground. Pounced on it, did the right winger, Mete Tere Hoki ki Taua Pariro, and the speed down that wing. No wonder he's tired. That was a 100-metre sprint, and in the end, too quick was the Nama Te Kaumā Whā. So out of absolutely nothing, Hastings hit the lead. Another difficult kick. It's got that diagonal. When we're pushing the ball just towards that left-hand uprights. Tika te mea tuatahi, nailed the first one. Ka pēhea tēnei. Good strike. Good line. That is absolutely sharpshooter stuff. Mai te taha matau mō here taunga. Te kaumā whā ki te whetu. Te āhua nei, ia te papa i oia te nuingo te rirohanga I tēnei haurua tainoa ki tēnei wā. It's been Palmy boys with the majority of the possession and the territory so far in this opening 20 minutes. But sharp. Hastings boys capitalising on a couple errors and making good on those opportunities. Toana, mā te whetu. Kick into the wind for Palmy, just holds up and getting through and stealing it. Te nama ono, Jonty Skirman. The flanker is now Mitchell Hopper. Sends it to Max Hill. I reira te jackal, and it was a fantastic tahai. Nā te nama tahi, it was the number 1 for Hastings boys, Genesis Tai Vale. Kei reira, kei ngā wāhi katoa I ienei wā. He's here, he's there, he's everywhere at the moment. Here taunga. Feeling themselves right now. Haere no ki te tāmatau will head out to the right hand side once more. He rāringi ki waho. Kia here taunga. Might look to shift it out to the left here. As they do pull it in. Line out is good. And they do. Once more Genesis Tai Vale. The Lucy on an absolute mission. He had the offload, but it goes astray. And now Palmy thought about the kick. Opted to carry. The offload back to ground once more. One of the main challenges of playing into this strong breeze. They just can't really afford to put boot to ball. And as such, Party was forced to carry it, and now Here Taunga. Kua tahaitia anō. Once more stolen as now they look out to the right-hand side. He goes, ko tahi atu ki te kokona. Me te hōkai mai tōna wai matau. And the step of his right foot, he brings it round ki muri ngā pau. Te piro tuatoru kia Here Taunga, the third try for Hastings boys. And is the number 14. Jimmy One Ratuere, who gets his double as we tick over the 20-minute mark. It was brave stuff from Palmy. I believe it was their left winger, Cole Cullen. Flew up looking for the intercept, but in the end overran it. Me ngā wai tere, nā te nama te kaumā whā, and the fast feed from Ratsuere. It was a beautiful little left-right step back on the inside, left his man clasping at thin air, just strolled round behind the posts. Rua te kaumātahi ki te whetū, 21 now, plays 7. Simata no mai te paiwehe. Underway once more from the halfway line. Palmy reeling a little bit here. They had that ascendancy for the opening 10 minutes. Since their first try, Hastings have hit some sort of rhythm. Good chase. Here Tauranga. Katsukua no ki te taha maui. They'll send it once more to the left-hand side, and they've found space again. Here come Hastings, wanted the offload, couldn't quite get it. Now he does. Sees that one thrown forward out of the hands of Honotapu. It was a barnstorming run from the blindside flanker, but in the end, ball just drifting forward in the offload. Apologies, the open side flanker. That indeed is a 7, not a 6. E waua. Tēnei mahi e hoa mā, te mahi pāngarau. Far from a mathematician. It doesn't really excuse me not knowing how to read numbers, but that's the excuse I'm going to go for. It's now Here Tauranga put the shove on at scrum time, and they've stolen it. Here Tauranga kei tētahi momo taumata I naenei. They are on some sort of level right now, as they now carried up just past halfway. Gabe Deha with some good post-contact meters. Back to the tight head prop. Hauwhanonga, and now the kick from deep. He's looking for the touchline. Couldn't find it. Either it's gone out on the full or it's dribbled dead. Didn't quite see there. We'll go all the way back. Kora te kaha o tēnei hau. That's the strength of this wind. It is blowing an absolute gale from right to left. Te kakari hoki must have gone dead as we come back to the halfway line, and it will be a scrum for Te Papaioia. Kuira tētahi wero. Mā koutou katoa, mā takitaki mana. That's a nice little challenge for all of you watching along at home. Say Te Papaioia 10 times fast. They must have had a smile on their faces when they made that name. That's a tongue twister. Those R-E-I-O-U's. There's now Palmy. Tsukua no ki te taha maui. Now they go out to the left-hand side. Strong carry from Steinmetz. E rapua nei tētai whakautu. Looking for a response. Te kawe kaha hoki. Nā te number 5. Strong carry from Stevens. Crashing up towards the 10-metre line. Getting up on him there was the number 12 for Hastings Boys, Kong. Palmy. Mete Painga hoki, not rolling away. I believe the call is now they have advantage. Good take from the hooker, Wills Madden. Ka whiua no ki te taha maui. That one looked a little bit forward, and it was. Ka hoki anō ki te whiu will come back for the penalty, not rolling away the call of the referee. Te rapea ka titiro anō rātou ki te kokona. Te pai hoki o taua kōkiri I mua rā. Fantastic line-out drive not long ago from inside their own territory. Wouldn't be surprised if they look to do the same once more. As the big boys make their way into the line, they might actually look to work something here. They haven't got the full forward pack in. Maybe they'll try and shift it. We'll never know as the ball goes over the back. Kua tāheitia no e te namatahi o Hastings boys, Tai Vale. How many possessions is he going to win as now they look to fling it wide? To the fast feet of that right winger, off he goes. Me te whanahoki hei whai. Little chip ahead and chase for the number 14, Ratuere. Just an error at ruck time there for Hastings boys. Nō reira ka hoki anō kia Palmi. Te mea matsua. Kia kaua rātou. E whiwhi tētahi piro. Anō I mua I te hauruatanga. It's important here for Palmi that they can get to the half-time without conceding another try. That strong breeze has played absolute havoc with their game strategy here in the first 27 minutes. They'll know if they can keep that gap to just a couple scores, they'll have all the opportunity in the world in the second half. Te āwhina hoki, tēnā. Kia hau nei he orite te kupu, mo te concede, me te receive. I've gone for Fifi as my kupu Māori for concede, but Fifi is also the kupu Māori for receive. So if anyone watching along at home has any tips as to what kupu Māori I could use in that horopaki, tēnā whakamohi o mai. Te papaioia. Ka whiua no ki Wainganui. Sending it once more to the centre. Step, Finn, strong, straight arm there. And now it's out on the right-hand side for the Kai Pariro. Me tōna tere. Ka hoki anō ki ngā pau. Koira te whakautsua I pirangi aia te papaioia. That's the response that Palmi were after. Speed in towards the corner, rounds it back towards the posts. It was a beautiful straight arm fend up the centre. I believe it was from Steinmetz. Found the number 11, Cole Cullen, on his right-hand side. Mete Piro Hoki. And there is the try they were after. Here I was saying they didn't want to try and concede again before the half-time. Why not go and get one instead? Just do one better. And the kick from right out in front, absolutely no issues there. Te papaioia te kaumawha, here taunga rua te kaumatahi. 14 now for the hosts. Hastings, tērā pēr ka rongo rātau I etahi a wanga I tētahi taumahatanga. They might feel a bit nervy here, a bit of pressure. They know they need to capitalise while they have the wind at their backs. One try buffer might feel a bit slim heading into the half-time break. Orera kore kore, ka pirangi rātau I tētahi anō I mua I te hauruatanga. Taking it down to Palmi. Ka whiua no ki Murira. Now they look to shift it through the hands, and they've broken once more up the centre. Engari, I haere whakamua. Te whiu, that one just drifted forward. It looked like Palmi were off to the races, and now instead they concede a scrum on their own 22-metre line. Fine margins e te whānau, engari ka nui tonu ngā hua. Kua whiu atu, e pōtai o tētahi. Someone just flinging their scrum cap away. I believe it was one of the Palmi boys. Tērā pēr ko te kāpene tērā, might have been the captain, Ollie Reid. There's now Here Taunga, look to go out to the right-hand side, steps off his right foot, takes a couple men to ground with him. Good carry from Ah Kyong, that's Carter. Ah Kyong. Here Taunga. Kawe Kahana almost getting through for the steal was the lock. Josh Stevens. In the end, Palmi get pinged for the knock-on. Reira he kakari anō, kia Here Taunga, ki taua rua te kaumārua mita tonu, engari tatake ki te taha matau. Still on the 22-metre line, but a bit further out to that right-hand side. E rima ngā minutes ia toina I tēnei hauwha tuatahi, haurua tuatahi meki. Not the first quarter, first half, just 5 minutes left in it. Tērā pēr koe nei te ahenga whakamutunga. Mōhere taunga ki te whai I tētai piro imu I te hauruatanga. Maybe the last chance of the half for Here Taunga to find that all-important try and extend that buffer. When just drifting that pass forwards and getting over the top of it. It was a good clean jackal from Palmy. Kua tāhaitia. And it was the halfback of all people, Mitchell Hopper, coming up with the big play for his team. And now Palmy look to shift it. Stepping back on the inside is the fullback, Manaya Rudolph. Now they fling it central. Good strong carry from Stevens. A bit of a scrap there just beyond the ruck as now the kick does come. E rere ana ki te taha, engari kua whakawhiti I te raina. It crosses the line on the full. Palmy looking to clear their territory. Engari ka hoki anō ki te rua te kaumarua mita. The third set piece, 2 scrums and a line out now for Here Taunga in quick succession. Right on that 22-metre line. Palmy living dangerously at the moment. Here Taunga sending it in. Engari kua tāhaitia. Stolen by Palmy. E ora tonu ana mehe ngeru. E iwa o rātou oranga. 9 lives like a cat as now they look to drive up the centre. How many carries from the number 12, Eric Miller. E rua noa ngā minutes here toi, 2 minutes left. Yeah, 2 men outside them, couldn't quite access them. Still a good carry, good meters there for Stevens. Strong carry from the captain, Ollie Reid. Nice flat pass there, taken well by the blindside flanker, Skirman. Whanaka I te haere, clearing kick to come. Puts up a high ball, will be a difficult one to take. Nicely judged at the back there for Yoasa. Middling to play with his number 15, Mikaele. Here Taunga. E runga minutes I e toiana. Tō rātou ake haurua tonu still in their own half. Manana ki te kōkiri ki Wainganui looking to drive it up the centre. Hoki anō ki te taha tata looking to get back to the near sideline, but it just goes awry. Dribbles across and the referee says it's Palmy ball. Reira. Ko tahi te minutes I e tohe ana, tērā pēr koe nei te ahenga. Mā Palmy boys kia o rite anō ai. Is this the chance for Palmy boys to draw level as we draw towards the half-time break? Rārangi ki waho. Kei Wainganui te kaumita me te rua te kaumarua in between the 10 and the 22-metre lines as they will look to drive. Starts to wheel and now moving. Good forwards momentum here for Palmy. Still going as they reach the 22. Hastings now managed to stop it, but it gets a second life. Te mihini mā, e kōkiri whakamua ana, the white machine. Driving upfield and now they look to clear it across to the left-hand side. They've got numbers. Desperate tackle, te namarua te kaumarua, Tama Butler just managed to pull him to ground. Kaui anō ki Wainganui carries once more up the centre. Te kaunga me tai atoina, about 10 metres left. Te kimi me te kōkiri, pick and go. Te papaioia. Mānawa nawa tonu ana, still patient. Here Taunga doing everything they can to keep that one try buffer into the half-time break. Almost ripping it away there, as now Te Papaioia. Ka kimi, ka kōkiri anō. just meters away. Te kahoki o tēnei pātū no here Tauranga. Strong wall at the moment for Hastings as Palmy just bashing their way forwards. Time up on the clock. It'll be the last play of the half. Palmy just centimetres. Me te piro hoki. Ka orite anō. We will draw level once more depending on the kick. They went down by a couple tries halfway through that first period and they stuck at it. They go bang bang and we're at 21-19 as we go into the half with the kick to come. Geez, it looked for a bit there around the 20-minute mark like Here Tauranga might run away with this one. Engari kāre rawa a te papaioia I tuohu. They did not give up. They kept fighting on. Ei nai nei. He ahenga. Kia orite anō. Ka tika oki me te karanga o nudge mai te taha. The nudge call from the sideline, and a nudge it was indeed. Koera te whakamutinga o te haurua tuatahi. That is the end of the first half. It is 21 points apiece. No reira kau e tā wāhi e te iwi. Don't go anywhere te whānau. An absolute barnstormer of a second half coming from te papaioia.
Ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka mahe whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri, hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raura ki MāORI Plus. Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, but they have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata MāORI.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Nau mai hoki mai anō e te whānau ki tēnei te haurua tuarua. O tēnei kēmu hīkaka rawa atu kei Wainganui e te papaioia rātau ko here taunga. Ke tai haurua tino tata kua hipa kare kore ka pērā anō te haurua kei te haere. Kia ora and welcome back to another half of action between Palmy Boys and Hastings. Incredibly exciting first 35 there. We're locked up at 21 apiece. No doubt much of the same to come here in the second. Te taia e koe te paku whakapai. Mawai tēnei kēmu e toa. Absolutely no way you could guess which way this one is going to go. Tera pea ko te painga matua I tēnei haurua tuarua. Perhaps the main advantage here in the second half is that Palmy will have the wind at their back. I te tātou I te kaha awhina. Tau āhuatanga I here taunga I te haurua tuatahi. Plenty of assistance found there for here taunga in the first half. And the boys in white will look to get it in the air as now Hastings break away. The loose head prop. Genesis Tai Vale, tētai o ngā tino whetū o taua haurua tuatahi. One of the main stars of the first half. They got numbers away on the left. Can they access them? Throws the dummy, goes to grounds. The loose head prop for here taunga. An absolute giant crashing in and up the guts, here taunga. Strong contact. Hei timotai tēnei haurua tuarua. As now it's once more with Tai Vale. Kei ko nei, kei ko rā, kei ngā wāhi katoa. He's here, he's there, he's everywhere is the Lucy for here taunga. As now they also have a painga and an advantage. Ka whiua nō ki tērā. Pariro tā wāhi. They'll look to throw it out to that far wing. Palmy managing just to shut it down. But an offside call will mean it is a free kick for Hastings Boys. Tērā pēr ka titiro rātou ki te taha. Me taua hau kaha ki o rātou tuarā. You have to think they will look. No, ko wareware ia hau. Te aronga o te hau, almost forgetting which way the wind is going there. Of course, the wind into the faces of Hastings Boys here. So it'll be much less about getting distance and just getting it out as we will return to the halfway line. And why not? He's been carrying, he's been offloading, he's been tackling. Let him do lineouts as well. Genesis Tai Vale. He's now look to swing it into the centre. Strong carry there from Tonga Wiha. And now the break. The tight head prop now. Strong tackle. Throws the offload to the man on his left-hand side. Just knocked on. It was the number 3. Ko Whanonga. Ki te I taua aputa ko tahi atuki Wainganui. Saw the gap. Went straight up the middle. Looked to get a long offload away to the man on his left. Couldn't quite control it. Nō reira he kakari ki a Palmy Boys. Tata tonu ki tō rātou pai rua te kaumārua mita. Scrum close to their own 22 for the boys in whites. Danger well and truly not clear just yet. Will be Mitchell Hopa to feed it in. Me tai kai tau toko anō. Kua tae mai aha ko te ua, aha ko te āwha. Kai ko nei rātau ki te mātakitaki I tēnei kēmu. Kua whai hua, tērā mahi hoki. And we can see even more supporters turned up now despite the wind, the rain, the storm. They've come along to support, and my goodness, are they getting well rewarded at the moment. This contest continues to shift and change as they'll chip over the top. Reclaimed by Palmy. Breaks the first tackle. He's got 2 men on his left. Can't quite get the offload away. It's a fantastic little chip over the top from Steinmetz. Mitchell Hopper to the number 8, Eamon. Hoki Anoki tēnei taha maui back onto this left-hand side. Breaks 1, beats 2. Strong carry from Manaya Rudolph. Hopper. Tsukanoki Wainganui. The captain, Reed, goes to ground. Little dummy from Steinmetz. Beats 1, beats 2. Ball on the inside. Mitchell Hopper. Kaihia Ona Kaitautoko. Where's the support? Can't find a man. Gets it. Knee to the ground. Te kaunga mi te toiana. Just 10 metres to go as now they look to drive up. Metres away. Te kimi me te kōkiri. Pick and go. Looks like they're going to leave it to the big boys to try and crash their way over here. Itsuki Tonuana ki tēnei pāturu o Heretaunga bashing against this Heretaunga wall as they win the advantage. Offside calls. Heretaunga not getting back on their line. Pick and go. Doing what it was intended to do and drawing that penalty. Kōkiri Anoana. Back to the left-hand side, ball on his right shoulder. He had 2 men outside him. Eric Miller looked ashore. Fire chance to head to the corner. Opted for the man on his inside. Engari kei rātou te painga. Reira kauki anō ki Wainganui, tērā pēr he kakari kei te haere. You wonder if they might call a scrum here, just out in front of the post, and they do. No surprises as Palmy boys will look to pack it in. E rimanga mi te e toiana ki te pai Piromeki, just 5 metres left to the try line. Look to work some sort of set play off the back of the scrum here. Tauranga kaimuri ki ia taha. We've got 3 men on either side. A little bit more space out towards the right. But the first 5 seems to be on the open side. So they might look to go left here. No, they do go out to the right. It's now Mitchell Hopper. Short ball. Getting dumped was Miller. A little bit of collateral. Referee says it's all friendly. Ehoma play on as Heretaunga stealing it. But doing so illegally. They look to the corner this time. And yes, they will. Not releasing in the end the call against Heretaunga. Tino kaha a rātou kōkiri taua haurua tuataha. We saw some strong, oh my goodness, losing all my words there. Some strong drives in the first half. Jeez, he te whānau from Palmy boys. No doubt they'll look to do more of the same here. As they bring it in, Heretaunga got up to contest. They look to work a little play off the back of it there. Almost getting up through the gap was Madden. Now the pick and go for the captain, Reed. Still looking to crash their way forward. Now in the hands of the number 6, the blind side, Skirman. Tsuki tonu ana I tēnei pātū, just crashing into this wall. Me te piro hoki. And they find the try. It was the Kimi me te haere, the pick and go. They went again and again. They were patient and in the end crashing over Palmy boys. They lead 26 points to 21. Will be the sharpshooter, Manaya Rudolph, mai te taha matau, hei āpiti I ngā piruerua anō. Looking to add the extra couple from out on the right-hand side. Taua hau, pupuhi ana mai I muri. Tira haerara mai te kokona matau ki te kokona maui. That wind, yes, it is behind him, but it's kind of coming from the right-hand corner to the left-hand corner. A bit of a diagonal. He accounts for it beautifully. Rua te kaumā waru ki te rua te kaumā tahi. 28 players, 21. Palmy boys with the advantage. The wind behind them as well. Koi nei te simatanga I pirangi ai rātou. This is exactly the kind of start they would have talked about in that halftime huddle. Nari kua whakaatu ke a here taunga. Tā rātou a hainga. Ki te whai piro mai ngā wāhi mai ngā kokona e whā o te whira nei. We've already seen Hastings showing their potential to strike from all four corners of the field. They had a couple runaway tries, one end-to-end. No doubt they will be keeping well vigilant for any opportunity to strike back here. Sending out towards the right-hand side, Kaharawa. A whakawhiti te pai matau. Two strong crosses the right-hand side as the number 14 for Palmy boys. Michael Whanua found himself on the ground, picks himself back up. It was a strong tackle from Tawhiri Matia there. Arika kakaria no mai Wainganui.
Yes. Yep, I see it. Perfect.
As it will be Mitchell Hooper to feed the scrum. Substitute on for Hastings boys, the reserve halfback, Te Ariki Maui. And for the boys from Here Tauranga. Palmy now look to shift it left. Little grubber through from Steinmetz, just finds its way to touch. Not too bad of a kick there, not the result he was after. They will have a little bit of territory and the chance to get up and contest the line out here. And Lucy once more, Genesis play volley. Send it to the front. Brought down nicely by the number 6, Kingston Reed. The offload as well, he's found a gap up the centre, still going. Hamiora Fatiolofa looked to find the offload to Maui. Couldn't control it now, Palmy. Inside their own half, they'll look to clear through Steinmetz, who has a good boot on him, and he thumps it away. That wind carrying it all the way down and dead as well. That breeze. I mean, it's not a breeze, it's an absolute gale. He's kicked that from almost on his own 22, and it's run all the way out to the back. Reira he kakari I naia nei kia here taunga. Te haurua tonu ho te Papaioia. Hastings now with the scrum inside Palmy territory. Anei tētai tino wāhenga. This is one heck of an opportunity.
Doogie, can you hear me?
No. Scrum feed to Palmy. It was in fact a knock-on call. We're going back. That was that offload to the number 20, Te Ariki Maui. I would have thought knock-on advantage was over when he kicked it, to be honest. But hey, harahau te kaiwa wau. And now the break, Palmy, number 13. Perhaps the high shot on Caden Party, and he's still going. E kore ia e takoto, he will not go down. And now the chip across from Steinmetz, drifting its way towards the corner, had to be careful there. Flying in was Cole Cullen, well controlled in the end by Gabe Deha. Ahokia no ki tēnei taha. Me te whiu hoki kia te Papaioia mo te rusu māhunga. It was a high tackle that gives Palmy a chance to once more look to the corner, and Steinmetz will do accordingly. Ui Max Hill. Kare kore. He kōkiri kei te haere, no doubt. A line-out drive coming from Palmy. Substitutions waiting to make their way in for the boys in whites. Jack Greaves, Jack Lalo Lafau amongst them. Throw not straight. Here Tauranga survive once more. Archie Amon also among the boys waiting, I should say, to make their appearance. And now Here Tauranga, they've got numbers out left. It was a diving attempt to get it in from the number 22. Hama Butler. Pass was out in front of him. Kia te kapaioia me te kakari. Una te kaumita. Tua te pai piro. Only about 10 metres beyond the try line. And it will be the three substitutions from the Palmy bench. Number 16, Archie Amon. Number 18, Oli Maraku. And Jack Greaves in the 21 jersey. Well-deserved rest. Looks like three of the big boys making their way to the sideline. A fantastic shift from Madden. I believe that was Stevens as well. They put in some serious effort for their team and getting a well-deserved bit of quiet time on the bench. Hooper, Mitchell Hooper feeds the scrum. Now goes inside, carrying strong straight into the action. Jack Greaves almost scoring with his first touch of the ball. The Kimi me te kōkiri, centimetres here. Palmy, ka titiro no ki te taha maui. Throws the dummy, the tohipa. Goes to ground, hands on it, did Hastings. In the end, forced to let go. Me te kōkiri anō, another pick and go. Me te piro hoki kia Palmy boys. And it is a double. It looks like it may be their captain, Ollie Reed. Mitana piro tuarua te kēmu nei with his second score of the game. And Palmy now extend that lead to te kau. Mārua ngā piro, 12 points. Bit of a pause there in between my te kau and my Mārua because, surprise, surprise, my mathematical skills were a little bit slower than my waha. In the end, managed to spit it out, and I believe I was correct. Rudolph looks to add the extra 2 from out the left-hand side. It's a good strike. It's a great kick. Goodness me, that is an absolute beaut from the fullback. He is now 5 from 5 on the day. 21 points left, a 14-point lead for Palmy boys. No way Hastings will be giving this one up just yet. Te Papaioia take it in through Skirman. Mitchell Hooper looking to shift it across. Goes to ground, but well controlled by Palmy boys, and away comes Eric Miller. Puts it onto the boot. Dribbling towards that touch line, I should say. Well controlled by Here Tauranga. Great chase from Te Papaioia. E rapu ana I tētahi Rirohanga looking for a turnover, couldn't quite find it, is now Genesis. Genesis tai Vale. Can he be the genesis of this attack for Hastings as my terrible pun brings in the penalty, and off goes the captain for Palmy boys. The offload, Mete Peter one no. The loose head prop, Max Hill. Palmy boys, they are flying 30. No, 40 points in fact to 21. The only thing going awry at the moment is my mathematics. Palmy boys, however, on the other hand, can do no wrong. They've got the wind at their backs and the wind in their sails. Ngā hau kainga e whakātua ni o rātou pukenga katoa. It was a quick one. Ollie Reed took the tap, took a couple men with him, and the offload kia Max Hill kei tōna Pukuhiwi Maui. He had the Lucy on his left-hand shoulder. Beautiful little offload. And no surprise as Rudolph adds the extra 2 once more. Whā te kaumā rua ki te rua te kaumā tahi 42 plays 21.
Let's fucking finish, hey, let's finish now. And again.
Tō mātawaroha, i ngā kanakana ki te taha. Apologies for any foul language from the sideline there, but the sentiment is correct. Palmy boys will look indeed to bleep finish. That was a terrible joke at Dewey. I'm very sorry. Sometimes I think I'm really on my game. Don't know if today is one of those occasions. Me te painga kia Hastings. Hastings now with the advantage and the penalty, not rolling away the call against Palmy as they look to go quickly through their halfback. Maui with the offload and the strong carry from the tight head prop. Ko Whanonga. Now away to the reserve hooker, Tamati Pere. He crashes his way towards the 22. Kati Suranoko, towards the right-hand side, his right-hand foot. His right hand foot, his right foot. It's Verdon Seal. Now Tai Vale. Once more, Maui. Going to grounds. It's Fatia Lofa. Just patiently looking to drive their way forwards as the penalty advantage does come. Well worked there by the reserve halfback. Milking the penalty, and now they'll be playing with advantage. Here Tauranga. Ko Whanonga. Maui. Now looking out to the right-hand side as they look to use the advantage, and they spread it to the man who's already got 2. Can he make it a hat-trick? Took a couple men to get him to ground, did Ratuere. By Vale.
And again.
You wouldn't be able to guess he hasn't had a trip to the bench just yet. 55 minutes in the legs and he is still going. Here Tauranga. Now crossing the 22-metre line. The offload there to the reserve hookup. Now back on his inside to the number 8. There's the first 5. Now just 10 metres left. They've got men on that right-hand side. Will they look to access them? No, the Kimi me te kōkiri once more. Pick and go. Now 5. Good tackle. Palmy boys getting up. On his knees is the number 10. Mika Iwasa. Reira tonu te painga, penalty advantage. Perhaps might see a little warning here for Palmy. A few consecutive penalties. Wouldn't be surprised if the referee... No. Happy with just the penalty. Dummies, the quick one. But they will tap and go through Tai Vale. Carries hard into contact. Now straightening. There's the number 4, Junior Pea. Tamoi, I should say. Gets a few metres just post-contact and now stepping off his left foot. Then on with the ko Mika Iwasa met the offload hooky ki te reserve half-back. Te namarua te ko mō here taunga te ariki Maui gets their 4th piro o te kēmu nei. Kei ko nei tonu wa here taunga. Hastings boys still well and truly in this one. 15 minutes left. And if the kick goes over, only 2 scores in it. will be Ioasa. E ngana ana ki te apati ngā Piroerua no Maimua. Can add 2 more points from out in front. Crucial kick in the context of this game. And he nails it. Hit there, whānau. Do not go anywhere. We have got one heck of a finish coming here. Palmy boys up by 14. Hastings finding their rhythm. Still 14 minutes to go. Ia ngā tima e rue hoki ana ki te pai wehe me mihi ka tika ki ngā kaitautoko o tēnei kaupa o tira ki a whakaata MāORI Plus. E pāpāhua nei enei kēmu katoa. And while these boys return to the line, it would be amiss not to give a huge shout out to all of our sponsors, but of course, most importantly to our broadcast partners at MāORI Plus, giving us the opportunity to watch games as fantastic as this one, live and on demand from our homes across Aotearoa, me te kore utu hoki, and for free. Tell you what, getting to enjoy rugby action like this for no cost is one heck of an opportunity. Ora re mihi kauana ki a rātou katoa, e tautoko ana I tēnei whakataitai, I tēnei hākina kina hoki. There's now Palmy boys looking to put the irakati on this one. Good drive. Pumping the legs was Caden Party. Hastings sideline shielding their eyes as now they look to get it out. It's a fantastic take. It is knocked on in the end. Pass was just out in front of Jack Greaves. Almost managed to control it. Amerika hoki anō kia here taunga me te kakari mai tō rātau ake rua te kaumārua. It will be here taunga from their own 22 with the scrum. Their 2 props, Tai Vale and Kouwhoronga, have been out there for near on 60 minutes, and they are still running as hard as ever. That is an absolutely fantastic shift from the big boys for Here Taunga, mihi ana kia korua. Especially in today's game, the South African bomb squad taking precedence across the world. It's fantastic to see these fit props, plenty of skill as well, doing both sides of the game absolutely beautifully. Offside called, 10 metres as well by the looks of things. There's now Here Taunga. And the boys I was just talking about, Kouwhoronga. Double blow. E whakatūpato he kāri rānei. Will it be just a warning? Will it be a yellow? He will go to the pockets. And so Palmy will play the majority of this fixture, the remainder of this fixture I should say, with just 14 men. Ngā huri, ngā āwhi o tēnei kēmu, the twists and turns of this fixture. And just when you thought Palmy might be getting a bit comfortable, the man is in the bin, and Here Taunga with new life. Can they access that overlap? Getting up, what a tackle. That was an absolutely beautiful piece of defense from Palmy boys. I believe it was their right winger. As now they look to shift it. There's the overlap. And off goes the man. He's already got 2. Why not make it 3? Ratuere, but he gets driven across the sideline. Big moments, big plays. Maria Kaukia normal playing up. Go back for yet another advantage. Penalties continue to bog Palmy boys down at the moment. Offside seems to be the major issue. Getting away what's more from the 22. Tap and go called by Hastings. Interesting they wouldn't go for the scrum. And they do. As if they were listening to me, which to be honest I'm not sure is a very good idea. They do go for the set piece. They do have that one-man advantage. So they might try and work it off the back of the scrum and shift it left, try and find an overlap. They've got plenty of pace out on that far wing in the form of Gabe Dayhart.
One back in the scrum, bro.
As we hear the Safa supporter on the sideline, where's the space now, Jetty? Good question, Ehua. Very good question. Space, as I was saying before, is out on that left-hand side.
Get off the scrum, Archie.
Palmy boys, big scrum here. Down a man, have opted to keep the line full. They got a good scrum on. Wanted the knock on, they have the turnover. It's gone from a Tauranga opportunity to a Palmy boys possession inside the 22. Napier Painga Hockey with the advantage. They'll now look to go through the avenue of the pick and goes. Kōkiri Tonuana still driving. Now they look out to the left-hand side, just beyond the hands of the number 21, Jack Greaves. Have the advantage. We'll come back to the centre once more. They'll take the shots. Smart play here for Palmy boys. You have to think if they can nail this one, that might just put it out of reach. As the kick goes up, and it is good for Manaia Rudolph. 45 players, 28 now, 17-point deficit. Could that do it for Palmy boys? Iatera, Efitsi Maiana, as the sun begins to shine down on the vast Manawatu. And a substitution coming in from the Tipapa bench is the number 19, Thomas Kelly, making his way on in the number 19 jersey. Tauranga. That kick just sitting up in the wind, and my goodness, did he get up there? The captain, Ollie Reid, absolutely flying. He came down hard as well. There's now Tauranga bumping their way up through the reserve. Tamati Pere. Tariki Maui with a little pick and go, and now they shifted across. Fatia Lofa. Through the hands. They look to get it out wide to that right winger, the dynamic Ratsuere, who's cut down. Okenoki Wainganui. Back on the inside once more. Now out wide, it's in the hands of the blindside flanker, Kingston Reid. Just beyond the 22. Haufononga. Mahi Tonuana Ahakua Tengenge. Despite the fatigue, he just keeps on running. Ooh, Tatatahai. Stolen by the number 3 for Palmy. The middle once more goes Tai Vale. What seems like his 1000th carry of the game. And now Kofononga. Hastings. Still crashing against this Palmy wall. Now breaking. Metefew Hoki Kitona. Pukohiwi Mato. And the offload on his right shoulder. He found his number 20, the reserve halfback, Tiariki Maui. Yahata te kaiwa waweki nei. What has the ref got to say here? I think it may have just been knocked away when he went to put it down. What's the referee's decision? Is called in the captain. Could we see a second yellow card here for Palmy boys? We do. Mania Rudolph goes to the naughty chair. And so now, Hastings boys with a 2-man advantage. E whanga minutes here, Toyana, just 4 minutes to go. Might not be enough time for them to steal the win here. Engari, hea hainga tonu. Ki te whai I tētai piroapiti me ki. Still a chance to find that bonus point. 15 on 13. They'll go for a tap and go. Would have picked them to go for a scrum. But they take it quickly. Now looking to shift it out to the right-hand side as they look to access Ratuere. The little step, and he gets it down. There's the hat-trick for the number, te kaumawha no here taunga, the number 14, Jimmy One Ratuere. Perfect 3. And here taunga strike back. As they will look to take it quickly. Out on the right-hand side. Not an easy kick with that breeze. Ika Iwasa. It's going to take serious strike to keep it over. Hit it pretty. That unbelievable kick. Into the breeze. Drilled it low and hard. Faded it from left to right and somehow had the legs. That is a next level back from the tee for Mika Iwasa. Kare te papaioia I te paku horo. Palmy not in any sort of rush here. Just waltzing back up to the halfway line, trying to use up as much time as possible. Hastings need 2 scores here in the space of just 2.5 minutes.
Boys, let's take this ball and get out of here.
Take this ball and get out of here. There's the call from the sideline. No doubt Palmer will look to go deep. And they do. Great kickoff, finds grass as well. It starts to dribble towards the dead ball line. He's had to pick it up inside his own goal. Can he get it out? No, he cannot. What a play from Palmy, me te whakanui hoki and the celebrations. Hastings had to follow it all the way back. They go with the quick one. Almost stolen back by Palmy. In the end, it is knocked on. Now they look to shift it to the sideline. By Vale. Pulled down in a good tackle from the number 22, Tama Butler. So they look to drive him across the sideline. Just 1 minute left. Here Taunga. Looking to use their numbers as now they try to spread it, and he's broken a couple tackles. He's got men outside it. They've got numbers to burn on the right-hand side. Now they do look to shift it. He's got 2 men on his shoulder. The offload just finds its way into touch. Kua mahue rātou, ia rātou tērā āheinga, and that opportunity just goes awry. Toru te kauhekona e toiana, just 30 seconds to go, and it looks like it will be Palmy boys with the scrum feed and potentially with the W here at home. This will be the last action of the game as the lock forward for Palmy boys, the number 4, Josh Stevens, served his time in the sin bin. Nope. He's told to get off. It looks like Palmy will complete this one with their 13-man lineup. And they put it out. Koira te mutungo te ke mu nei. Kua whawhai roa, kua whawhai kaha e nei tima e roa, engari I te mutunga iho. Ko te haukainga, ko te papa ioia, kua whaihua. Both teams have fought hard, they've fought long. It was a fantastic encounter, but in the end, it is the hosts, Palmerston North Boys, who get the job done here, 45-35. Me te piki mi kia here taunga. Big shout out to the Hastings Boys team, who have made it a real difficult one here for the boys in white, but in the end, the mighty Manawatu roll on in the Super 8s. That is the end of the game and our coverage for this week. It's been an absolute privilege watching this one alongside all of you. Te tūminako nei. Ko ki mai koutou I ngā wiki kei te haere. Hope to see you coming back in the weeks to come. But for now, that is our set te whānau. Hei akua nei.